Hello, this is an overview video of using the Q wizards to adjust the white ink when printing with layers. These wizards will print variations of a graphic with different settings. Then, based on the actual print, you select the one you think that works best and enter the value, and it will update the Q and use these settings for all new jobs. Q Wizard options are found under the Q menu, and you have 5 options to choose from. All the Qs have preset values which will work in a wide variety of cases. But different garments can need different amounts of white ink, so these generic settings cannot always be the best settings. Also, a graphic that looks good on a backlit LCD with a black background doesn't always look good on a black garment, as the range of contrast is very different, and you don't have the same tonal control in highlights and shadows on a garment that you have on an LCD screen. In these cases, how you reproduce these images can become a matter of personal preferences. These wizards will help you tune settings to your preferred results. The set maximum white ink is good to use when using different brands of garments, as it adjusts the amount of white ink, and different garments need different amounts of white ink. Set up black removal is for black t-shirt printing and sets up the white ink usage for the black shirts. Set up how much white to use under black is used for coloured shirts and sets up the white ink usage for coloured shirts. White choke helps you find the right amount of choke you need for your printer and ink when you are having issues with the white peeking out. The Colour Boost fine-tunes the CMYK in areas where you also want the shirt to show partially through and blend with the graphics. White choke and Colour Boost should always be the last options to run. We recommend you use the Q Manager to add or duplicate Qs and make your changes to these and name them appropriately. For example, if you set up a Q for a different shirt brand, you can create a new Q and you can name it after the brand and colour. Each wizard has its own video. Please watch these for more details on each of the wizards.